name is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole.
This all the time, judging left, twisted right. You've got me so.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I haven't filmed since Friday, and that's because I have a lot going on, and the stress is real. Anyway, today's video is doing a collab for Twitter. I don't have to do this video, but I'm gonna do this video because I mean I have to film a look anyway. So basically what it is I'm taking this character from Twilight, Breaking Dawn, Zafrina. I actually liked her. So I'm going to be doing her non-battle ready look, if that makes sense. I'm going to do the battle ready look later, but for work purposes I'm going to do the non-battle look, which is just basically smoky eye, subtle smoky eye, you know. Yeah, so real simple, real easy. I'm going to be using two palettes. I'm going to be using the ColourPop Mar, and then of course the James Charles palette. I'm going to be using two colors from there, both brown shades, and then two colors from here. And the shades I'm going to be using from here are, because I still have the old one, so it's backwards, Sorbet, which is this one, and Top Down, which is this one. And from James Charles, I'm going to be first taking the shade, I think this is 10% off, or is it Code James? It's one of those. That little slip that comes with this palette is just somewhere over there. So this is either 10% off or Code James. It's one of those, because this is no beans, so this is whatever. It's one of those shades, and then I'm going to take Boutique. So I'm going to be using these two shades. Now I'm going to be going into Boutique, and if you're like, why you keep looking at this, because I'm looking at the picture of Zafrina's face just to make sure I do her justice. And I know you're probably like, girl, you left space. That's because if you've never seen Breaking Dawn, okay, like if you look at their eyes, like right here, of course there's liner there, but it's like liner, but then there's like, it's dark, so it's like, I'm going to be adding dimension. That's why I said I'm going to be using the shade Top Down from here, because I'm going to put liner on, but like, if you look at her eyes, it's like, it's not just liner there, it's, I don't know how to explain it, but yeah. And I see that she has like, pretty sure like it's not supposed to look like a brow bone highlight, but it's definitely a brow bone highlight. So now I'm going to be going into the shade My Way. I think that's the name. This one right here, y'all. I like, cause I have the old one. The sticker's backwards. Now the lower lash line is, excuse the powder and stuff on my face. The lower lash line is dark and smoky. So I'm going to just go back into top down, this one here, and apply that straight across. Now for lip, it looks like they use like a pink cream, a light one, but because she lighter than me, it looked cute on her. I just test ran a light pink that I have. No, we're not gonna do that. So instead, I'm gonna go the opposite direction and use just this cinnamon lipstick from ColourPop. Seeing as how her hair is straight, I guess I really can't curl my hair like I wanted to. I thought I was gonna curl my hair, but can't because her hair is straight. But I am going to take separate sets. Like this is the shot. This is be just the look for the collab on Twitter with my group. But then of course I'm going to Nickyfy this because I'm not wearing no lashes. My dots are not on my face. My eyebrows are so thin. And the reason they're that thin, I have to explain this because somebody's gonna be like, your eyebrows look so thin. I put so much foundation and concealer around my baby Drake's because her eyebrows are really thin. And I want going for that then. That's a lot because I still gotta go to work and my students would be confusion and I don't want to confuse anybody. So yeah, but my eyebrows are real thin. This looks weird. I mean, I've done them this thin before, but this looks like, this is like a squilliam brow, good colored. But I actually like how this came out. I like her, but Lord, we need lashes. I'm missing my wing. So then like, for the purpose of the group, I'm gonna do this and then the warrior look. But then for the purpose of Instagram and my own, because I need to, I am going to add the dots and the wing and some lashes because, ooh child, lashes are necessary. And I'm gonna need you to find you some business, please and thank you. But that's it for this video. I actually like this though, it's really cute. But I need my wing, I need my dots. That's it, that's all. I'll maybe see you all tomorrow. Bye.